Have you ever wondered how the world's lungs, the rainforests, are able to produce 20% of Earth's oxygen? Let's embark on a journey to unravel this enigma of the rainforest. Imagine standing in the heart of a rainforest. You are surrounded by a staggering diversity of life. The air is thick, moist, and teeming with the rich, earthy scent of nature. The symphony of sounds from countless creatures resonates around you. But the most remarkable thing about this place isn't what you can see or hear. It's what you can't. It's the invisible exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide that's constantly occurring. It's the very breath of the forest. The rainforest, often referred to as the world's lungs, plays a vital role in our planet's health. It's the epicenter of a remarkable process known as photosynthesis. At its core, photosynthesis is a beautiful symbiotic dance between sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Underneath the thick canopy of the rainforest, sunlight filters through, reaching the green leaves of the countless trees and plants. Here, in these tiny green factories, the magic happens. The sunlight acts as a catalyst, powering the conversion of water absorbed by the roots and carbon dioxide from the air into glucose, a type of sugar that gives energy to the plant. But that's not all. In the process, a byproduct is created, one that's crucial for our survival: oxygen. And so, as the sun shines down on the rainforest, every leaf in every tree and plant is working overtime, breathing in carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen. This process, replicated countless times across the vast expanse of the rainforest, contributes to a staggering 20% of the Earth's oxygen. The rainforest is not just a collection of trees and plants, it's a living, breathing entity, an intricate system that maintains the delicate balance of our planet's atmosphere. It's a world teeming with life, both seen and unseen, playing a role that's essential for our survival. So, the rainforest breathes life into our planet, quite literally. Did you know that rainforests are home to more than half of the world's species of plants, animals, and insects? It's a fascinating fact that showcases the incredible biodiversity of these lush, vibrant ecosystems. But to truly appreciate this, we need to delve a bit deeper into the different layers of the forest and the unique life forms that inhabit each. The forest floor, despite being the lowest layer, is far from the least important. It's where the circle of life is most visible, as decomposers break down the fallen organic matter, returning vital nutrients to the soil. Scuttling insects, slithering reptiles, and stealthy predators roam this dimly lit world, each playing their part in the forest's intricate web of life. Moving upward, we find the understory, a shadowy world of low-growing shrubs and young trees. This layer is a haven for many species of birds, insects, and small mammals who take advantage of the dense foliage for shelter and forage. Among the greenery, flashes of vibrant colors reveal the presence of exotic flowers and fluttering butterflies, a testament to nature's unending creativity. Above the understory, we reach the canopy, the rainforest's bustling metropolis. This is where the forest truly comes alive, with a symphony of sounds from the countless creatures that call this layer home. From chattering monkeys to chirping birds, to the rustling leaves as a sloth lazily makes its way through the branches, the canopy is a testament to the thriving life that exists in these forests. Finally, towering above it all is the emergent layer. Here, the tallest trees reach for the sky, their crowns bathed in sunlight. Eagles soar above the treetops, and bats roost in the lofty heights, while epiphytes cling to the trunks, absorbing water and nutrients from the humid air. Just like a tapestry, each thread, each creature, no matter how small, contributes to the overall beauty and function of the rainforest. So let's cherish and protect these magical places that are teeming with life, for they are truly the rich tapestry of life on Earth. Can you imagine that more than 25% of modern medicines originated from rainforest plants? Indeed, the rainforest is often referred to as the world's pharmacy. This is no random moniker. The dense foliage and vibrant life of the rainforest are a treasure trove of medicinal compounds, many of which are still undiscovered. For centuries, indigenous communities have revered the rainforest for its healing properties. They have cultivated a deep understanding and respect for the forest, using its plants for everything from soothing skin irritations to treating serious illnesses. The knowledge they have gathered, passed down through generations, has become an invaluable resource for modern medicine. But it's not just about the remedies we already know. The rainforest is a hotbed of biological diversity, with millions of species of plants, many of which we've yet to fully explore. Every plant holds the potential for new compounds, new cures, new breakthroughs. Modern medicine is continually venturing into these forests, discovering new compounds that could hold the key to curing diseases that currently elude us. Consider the Pacific yew tree, a plant native to the rainforests of the northwest United States. From its bark we've derived a compound called paclitaxel, better known as the cancer-fighting drug Taxol, or the Madagascar periwinkle, which has given us two potent anti-cancer compounds, Vindolin and vinblastine. But the pharmacy of the world is not just about finding cures for our ailments, it's also about maintaining the health of our planet. The rainforest plays a crucial role in maintaining the Earth's climate, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. It is a vital part of our global ecosystem, a provider of life and health on multiple levels. So as we marvel at the medicinal miracles we found in the rainforest, let's remember the importance of preserving these unique ecosystems. Let's continue our quest for knowledge, our search for cures, but let's do so with respect for the forest and its indigenous communities. The rainforest, therefore, is not only a haven of biodiversity but also a potential savior of human lives. Are you aware that rainforests act as the world's thermostat, regulating temperatures and weather patterns? It's a fact often overlooked, yet it's a role of paramount importance. Rainforests are not just a spectacle of biodiversity, but also the world's silent guardians against climate change. They are our allies, our partners in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet's climate. Sit back for a moment and imagine the enormity of their task. Each day, these vast expanses of green absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that is a significant contributor to global warming. Let's delve a little deeper to understand this better. You see, trees, like all plants, use photosynthesis to convert carbon dioxide into glucose, their food. In this process, they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, thereby reducing its concentration. Now consider the colossal size of our rainforests, home to an estimated 3 trillion trees. That's 3 trillion silent warriors, each doing its part to combat climate change. Interestingly, rainforests do not just absorb carbon dioxide. They also release oxygen, a byproduct of photosynthesis, back into the atmosphere. This oxygen is vital for life on Earth, making rainforests not just guardians of our climate, but also providers of the very air we breathe. But the role of rainforests in climate control extends even beyond this. They help regulate local and global weather patterns, influencing rainfall and temperature. They act as natural water reservoirs, releasing water vapor into the atmosphere, which in turn forms clouds and brings rain. They are the beating heart of our planet's water cycle. This intricate interplay of processes all comes together to help maintain our world's climate, keeping it stable and habitable. But these silent guardians are under threat. Deforestation, driven by logging, agriculture, and other human activities, is diminishing their size and capacity to absorb carbon dioxide. Without these silent guardians, our world would be a much hotter and more chaotic place. So let's value our rainforests, for they are more than just trees. They are the quiet protectors of our world, silently battling climate change one breath at a time. But did you know that despite their immense value, rainforests are under severe threat due to human activities? Indeed, the allure of the rainforest is undeniable, yet it is this very allure that has proven to be its own undoing. The green paradise that we cherish is under siege, and the culprits are none other than ourselves. The rainforests are being ravaged by deforestation at an alarming rate. The quest for agricultural land and the insatiable demand for timber are driving the relentless logging of these magnificent forests. What was once a vibrant, thriving ecosystem is being reduced to a barren wasteland, the silence echoing the loss of countless species that once called these forests their home. And the assault doesn't stop there. Illegal logging activities, often driven by the lucrative timber trade, are further exacerbating the situation. These unregulated activities not only lead to the destruction of the forests but also disrupt the balance of the ecosystem, posing a grave threat to the myriad species that inhabit these forests. But the threats to rainforests are not merely limited to deforestation and illegal logging. Climate change, a looming specter that is increasingly shaping our world, is posing a significant challenge to the survival of these forests. Rising temperatures are altering the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem, leading to the loss of biodiversity and making these forests more susceptible to fires. The implications of losing these forests are profound. Rainforests play a pivotal role in regulating the climate, harboring a vast array of species, and providing essential resources such as medicinal plants. The loss of these forests would not only be a blow to biodiversity, but also have far-reaching implications for climate change and human health. The future of rainforests, and subsequently our own, hinges on our actions today. We are at a crossroads. The path we choose to tread will determine the fate of these threatened paradises. It's high time we recognize the intrinsic value of our rainforests and take steps to ensure their survival. The time to act is now. The future of our rainforest and, ultimately, our own survival, depends on it.